Next, we're going to work on an example to illustrate some of the ideas in game theory. Our example is going to be two computer chip manufacturers, AMD and Intel. Each of them have just produced a new computer chip, a new CPU, central processing unit, and they're each deciding how many of these CPUs to produce, 1 or 2 million. Let's imagine that each of them can devote 1 or 2 factories to producing these new CPUs, and each factory will churn out 1 million of these chips. We've got a cost to make each one of $150, and depending on how many total CPUs are produced, the price will change. That is, we've got a demand schedule down the bottom here. Our demand schedule describes what the price will be depending on how many CPUs are produced. So if both firms produce 2 million, there will be a total of 4 million produced, and hence the price will be $180. If each of them produces 1 million, then a total of 2 million will be produced, and the price will be $230. We're going to keep track of the results of the amount of profit that each firm will obtain on this grid here that we call a payoff table. So we've got 8 spaces in this payoff table. Each quadrant, each quarter of the table describes the outcome from a combination of actions. So over here, if Intel produces 1 million CPUs and AMD produces 1 million CPUs, then we're going to calculate how much profit each firm would obtain and put those profit amounts into these cells. We'll do that for each of the 4 combinations, and then we'll think about what each player should do. So we're going to spend the next couple of videos filling out these cells.